Hi friends, welcome to Bhaskar Academy. My name is Bhaskar Kalluri, lecturer in economics, subject economics, concept, important theories and books in economics. Now, important theories in economics. Wealth definition is given by Adam Smith. Welfare definition Alfred Marshall. Scarcity definition Leonel Robbins. Growth definition Paul Samuelson. Wage fund theory J.S. Mill, John Stuart Mill. Quasi-rent theory Alfred Marshall. Classical theory of rent David Ricardo. Minimum wage theory Paul Samuelson. Residual climate wage theory Professor Walker. Substance theory of wages, it is also called as Brazilian law and iron law. Adam Smith. Existence theory of interest J.S. Mill. Weighting theory of interest Alfred Marshall. Aesio or Austrian theory of interest John Ray Baumgartner. Time preference theory of interest Irving Fisher. Modern theory of interest Hicks and Hansen. Loanable funds theory of interest Netwixel. The dynamic theory of profit J.B. Clark. The risk theory of profit F.W. Halley. The uncertainty bearing theory Professor Knight. Innovation or inversion theory of profit Professor Schumpeter. Marginal productivity theory of rent J.B. Clark, Jevons, Marshall, Wicksteed. Marginal productivity theory of profit Alfred Marshall. Wage cut policy A.C. Pigou. Transfer earnings Mr. John Robinson. Consumer surplus Dupitt. The law of variable proportion Alfred Marshall in agriculture. Kinked demand curve, it is a oligopoly model Paul Svig. The small group model, it is also oligopoly model E.H. Chamberlain. Liquidity preference theory J.M. Keynes. Discounted marginal net product theory Tacit. Absolute cost advantage theory of trade Adam Smith. Compared to cost advantage theory of trade, Ricardo. The theory of reciprocal demand, J.S. Mill. Opportunity cost theory of international trade, Herbaler. Modern theory of international trade, it's also called as factor endowment theory, Hexer and Hohelin. International trade equalization of factor prices, Paul Samuelson. Multiplier, Richard F. Kahn. Investment multiplier, J. M. Keynes. Acceleration principle, J. M. Clark. Super multiplier, it is a combination of multiplier plus accelerator, J. R. Hicks. Absolute income hypothesis, J. M. Keynes. Relative income hypothesis, J. S. Dusenberry. The permanent income hypothesis, Milton Friedman. Life cycle hypothesis, Franco Modigliani, Richard E. Bloomberg, Albert Ando. Unlimited supplies of labor, W. Arthur Lewis. Critical minimum effort, Levinstein. Low level equilibrium trap thesis, Nelson. Big push theory, N. Rosenstein Roden. The law of diminishing marginal utility, introduced by H. H. Gerson. Later, Jevons named it as Gerson's first law. Later, Marshall developed scientifically. He titled as the law of diminishing marginal utility. The law of equimarginal utility, introduced by H. H. Gerson. Later, Jevons named it as Gerson's second law. Later, Marshall developed this theory in scientific manner, and also he titled it as the law of diminishing marginal utility. Theory of balanced growth, Rosenstein Roden, Ragnar Narkse, Arthur Lewis, Sursky, Harvey, Levinstein. Theory of unbalanced growth, Herzman. Stages of growth theory, M. Rostrow. Capital accumulation model, Mr. John Robinson. Social marginal productivity theory, A. E. Kahn, Hollis B. Chenery. Demographic dividend, David Bloom. Theory of demographic transition, introduced by Thomson Nottenstein, later developed by Cole and Hoover. Challenge or shock theory of population, Professor Hansen and Herzman. Population cycle, C.P. Blacker. Optimum theory of population, Edin Cannon. Classical theory of population, Thomas Robert Malthus. Standard of living effect, Professor Hagen. Purchasing power parity theory, Gustav Cassel. Ruling plan, Gunnar Myrdal. Microfinance, Muhammad Yunus. Average cost or full cost pricing theory, R. L. Hall. Sales revenue maximization principle, William Baumol. Managerial theory, Williamson. Theory of limit pricing, J. S. Bain, Silos Mudglani, Jagadish Bhagwati. The social welfare function, Professor Bergson. Say's law of market, J.B. Say. Psychological law of consumption, it's also called as consumption function, J. M. Keynes. The risk aversion theory of liquidity preference, James Tobin. The quantity theory of money, Friedman. Cash transactions approach, Fisher. Cash balances approach, Alfred Marshall. The real balance effect, Don Patikin. Absorption approach, Sidney Alexander. Indifference curve analysis, J. R. Hicks. Dualistic development theories, social dualism, J. H. Bouquet. Technological dualism, Higgins. Financial dualism, Mint. Important indicators in economics, MEW, measure of economic welfare, William Northus, James Tobin. NEW, net economic welfare, Paul Samuelson. Basic needs approach, ILO, International Labour Organization. PQLI, physical quality of life index, Morris D. Morris. HDI, Human Development Index, Mahbub Haq. SPI, Social Progress Index, Amartya Sen, Douglas Thom. Important books in economics. An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nations. It was published in 1776, Adam Smith. The Principles of Economics, 1890, Alfred Marshall. Essay on the Nature and Significance of Economic Science, 1931, Lionel Robbins. His Economics and Introductory Analysis, 1948, Paul Samuelson. Value and Capital, 1946, J. R. Hicks. A Revision of Demand Theory, 1956, J. R. Hicks. Towards a Dynamic Economics 1961, R.F. Harrod. Economic Dynamics 1962, J. William Baumol. Statistics and Dynamics 1963, N. Calder. The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money, J. M. Keynes. Das Kapital, Karl Marx. Theories of Surplus Value, Karl Marx. Wage, Labor and Capital, Karl Marx. The Poverty of Philosophy, Karl Marx. Principles of Political Economy, Thomas Malthus. The Economics of Imperfect Computation, 1933, Mr. John Robinson. Imperfect Computation, Revised, 1953, Mr. John Robinson. The Economics of Welfare, 1920, S.E. Pigou. The Concept of Monopoly and Measurement of Monopoly Power, 1943, A.P. Lerner. The Theory of Monopolistic Competition, E.H. Chamberlain. Thank you for watching this video.